Hello, how are you? My name is Keely, and I would like to take you on a journey. I'm speaking quietly because this is a sound journey, so I'm going to ask you to use your ears more than your eyes. Let's begin by the double doors at the back of the Concourse Gallery. Make your way towards the elevators. Hit the up button and listen. Once inside, go to the second floor. Now, let's head towards the FFIM area. Every once in a while on this journey, I'm going to close my eyes and just listen to the sound of the space as my body navigates through it. It will look something like this. I would encourage you to do the same thing. Head into the FFIM area towards studio number 1 and the dialogue booth.
Denk ik werd gekozen op die dag zo lang geleden. Voor ik het wist, mocht ik mee met de A-selectie. Dit is mijn club, mijn ideaal. Dit is de mooiste club van allemaal. Hier ligt mijn hart, mijn vreugde, mijn verdriet. Het kan dooien, het kan vriezen. We kunnen winnen of verliezen. Maar een betere club dan deze is er niet. We speelden toen die ene wedstrijd, de finale van de club.
Let's head back towards the hallway. Once you're there, turn right, back towards the elevators. As we pass the elevators, see if you can still hear Kyle playing his guitar. Head down the ramp and turn to the right. Head towards the double doors at the end of the hallway. Open them and go down to the platform. Let's head down these stairs towards the single door on your left. Go through the doors immediately to your right. Let's listen to the rain for a moment.